For anyone just joining in, what do we have here?
This is a, I don't know, like a sleeveless bodysuit onesie.
What size again? I'm sorry.
For a year.
1 year.
1 year.
And this has been soaking in our soda ash, sodium carbonate for 30 minutes.
Yeah. 30 minutes.
15, 30, something like that. Gonna twist it up, throw some color on it.
Yeah. We've found that the onesies they're so small, it's kind of hard to like do patterns on them. So we tend to just do spirals.
Yeah.
On these.
We've done a scrunch before, I think, but we've never,
Well, when we did, because this all started when I was pregnant and I wanted to tie-dye onesies for our baby. And then we had so much fun doing that we just ended up, I don't know, doing shirts and stuff. And then we were like, why don't we start an Etsy store?
Yes, sir.
So we got lime pop.
Some lime pop.
In a 16-ounce bottle with some urea.
Yep. 1 tablespoon of urea.
Yeah.
Well, actually in that bottle I think there's 2, but yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say we might have used 2 since it's bigger than an 8 ounce.
You want to use 1 tablespoon for every 8 ounces. So we got lime pop and Cayman.
This is Cayman Isle Green, which is not really a green, it's more like a...
It's like a teal blue.
Yeah, I was about to say a dark teal.
If you've ever seen like a blue Audi, this is the old, is it green? Is it blue? What color is it really? Debate. In person, at times it looks green. It depends on the lighting, depends on a lot of things. On camera though, it looks 100% blue.
It almost looks navy.
Yeah, it looks almost like navy on camera. It looks really weird.
Alright. Then we flip it over.
The flippy flop.
And I'm just gonna go ahead with the Cayman since it's already in my hand.
I think after this next one I might take y'all off the tripod and keep y'all in my hand as well. So we do a lot of moving back and forth, so.
Yeah, we do. This is a moving project.
Yeah. Want to make sure and get it all down in all the folds real well. Get everything good and colored up. We're gonna do a few more too on the live, so.
I usually kind of like to go over the middle and sort of make like a color gradient from the light color to the dark color.
Right. You want a smooth transition. You don't want it like a line of just color change.
Or maybe you do. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess it depends on what you're going for.
I was about to say, depends on what you're feeling.
So are we ready for the drying rack?
Yeah, let me grab my color.
All right. So now we're going to relocate to the drying rack.
I'm going to put this one
Top shelf. And that's where it's going to stay for the next 24 hours until we wash it on out. Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all tomorrow.